I tried Zebedee wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Zebedee wallet app, I had no idea what to expect. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Zebedee isn't just a crypto wallet, it's a whole new way to earn Bitcoin while gaming. On day 1, setup was simple. I created an account in under a minute and instantly noticed how clean the interface looked. Zebedee runs on the Bitcoin Lightning Network, which means transactions are nearly instant and cost less than a cent. By day 2, I started exploring its real magic: Bitcoin gaming. You can connect the wallet to supported games like Counter-Strike, Solitaire, and even mobile trivia apps. Every time you play or win, you earn small Bitcoin rewards that go straight to your Zebedee wallet in real time. Midweek, I tested withdrawals and Lightning payments. Sending small Bitcoin units was instant. I could pay, tip, or even buy things online using just a few taps. It felt like the future of microtransactions. By day 5, I started using Zebedee's Earn tab, where you can get paid Bitcoin for completing simple tasks or surveys. It's not life-changing money, but it adds up over time and it's a fun way to stack sats. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear: Zebedee isn't just for gamers, it's for anyone who wants to experience Bitcoin as a real, usable currency. The speed, fun, and real earnings make it one of the most innovative wallets I've tried. If you want to earn Bitcoin while gaming, testing, or just exploring the Lightning Network, Zebedee might be your best entry point. It turns crypto into something tangible, interactive, and genuinely rewarding.